Welcome to the 100 Pharmacy Skills course, proudly brought to you by Clinical Pharmacy. This course is designed to help you.
Hello, welcome back. Today, let's cover the top 5 drug interactions every pharmacist should know. First, warfarin and NSAIDs like ibuprofen. This combination
In the critical care setting, fluid and electrolyte management is a cornerstone of patient. Module 3, Pharmacokinetic Challenges in Critical Care. Overview.
Welcome to this module on managing patient care remotely. In this session, we will explore essential strategies for Welcome to our module on implementing telepharmacy services, tools and platforms. In this module, welcome to our course on legal and ethical considerations in telepharmacy. In this session, we will delve into the
Welcome to the module on Introduction to Precision Medicine. Today, we embark on a journey into one of the most
Welcome to the module on genetic testing and biomarkers in pharmacy. In this session, we will explore how genetic testing and biomarkers are transforming clinical pharmacy. Welcome to the module on personalized drug therapies case studies. In this session, we will explore how precision medicine is
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical topics in cardiovascular health, coronary artery disease, or CAD. If you're passionate about